Hello, in this video we'll show you how to connect products to multiple locations with a simple bulk edit with Ablestar. First we'll start a new edit and we can filter for the products that we want to edit. In this case we'll go for some Nike shoes. Once we select those, we'll go up to Edit Products in the top right, click on that, and under Field to Edit we're going to search for the Connect Inventory Locations, which also gives us the option to disconnect inventory locations. Now here we have the different locations that we can add, so if we want to make sure that all products are, say, in the Australia and EU warehouses, we can select those. The app will go through all the products and give you a live preview here showing that for these products we'll be adding the Australia warehouse location, and then you just click on Run Edit. The app will process these in the background. You can go get a coffee, and when you come back you'll see that all your products have been connected to the locations that you need. That's it. If you have any other questions, reach out to our support team. We're around 24/7 to help. Thanks.